to purchase it. Number 5 is ANYCUBIC Resin 3D Printer. The ANYCUBIC 3D printer is an ultimate game changer when printing Nerf guns. Brace yourself for a jaw-dropping experience. With the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4K, you'll embark on a thrilling journey into high-octane 3D printing like never before. Prepare to be blown away by its lightning-fast printing speed. This beast boasts a mind-boggling 7% light transmittance, which means faster curing and shorter single-layer exposure times, as low as a mere 1.5 seconds. Say goodbye to waiting around and hello to epic Nerf battles in no time. But it doesn't stop there. The 4K high-resolution display will leave you in awe. Witness the sharpness and intricate details of your printed models like never before. With a contrast ratio of over 350 to 1, every exposed area bursts with vibrant clarity, ensuring unparalleled printing quality that will leave your friends speechless. Enable your creativity with the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4K's big 6.23-inch LCD screen. Dive into a world where your imagination knows no bounds. And don't worry about wear and tear because the screen is built to last, lasting 4 times longer than traditional LCD screens. So if you want the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for Nerf guns. If you like any of these best 3D printers, check out the link in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.